What's up, guys?
Hey guys!
We're getting ready to move, and of course the slat wall gotta go. So we're just making this video for you guys to see. Well, of course we made a video for you guys to see how we put it up, which is linked right here. So we're gonna make this video to show you guys how it looks after we remove it and the condition of the wall afterwards.
We're gonna show you guys and see if this was really a renter-friendly design.
Yep.
You guys already see we have one man down. One man down. It's the only one that has fallen.
Keeping it real.
Y'all, I can't believe we're moving! That means we have to take down the slats in the office too, which went up later than this one. And it looks so good in there, you guys. But on to bigger and better. Can't wait to show you which home we decided to go with. So as you guys see, what do they call it? The command strips.
Yeah.
The command strips are what we highly recommend if you are going to do this project, which I think we were telling people
to do anyway, yes.
To do anyway.
If you guys watched to the end of the video, we said it. Use the double-sided command strips.
Yes.
Well, not double-sided, but you know,
yes.
The command strips. Do not use double-sided sticky tape.
Yes.
Or else your wall might end up looking patchy like this.
Yes.
The command strips comes off easy, and it held up. The slats held up with the command strips, and it comes off easy.
And it comes off easy. It was perfect. Luckily, that's what we did for the office.
The office, we did not use the double side.
We did not use the double-sided sticky tape.
It's good. It holds. It holds. It grips. But
yeah.
In terms of renter friendly, no, it's not. But technically, well, not technically. This project is renter friendly, depending on the material that you use.
Yeah. So we have the pre-move out inspection tomorrow, and if you guys see this place, I don't even know how they're really gonna inspect anything because it's like a bomb went off, a tornado came through, and you know how in the middle of packing is, it's ridiculous. But they're definitely gonna see this wall, so I guess we'll see what they say and I'll let you guys know what they say. But we're gonna obviously let them know that we'll be able to fix it beforehand.
We're gonna do our best.
Yes, yeah, exactly.
And there's still security, so if they
we don't care about getting our security back.
Once it's within the budget. Yeah.
But yeah, so we'll see how that goes. I'll let you guys know. So we have to do the office. See you in a minute for that.
See you guys in a minute. Alright guys, we're in the office now. Time to take down this beauty.
Oh, one last look of it. We also have one down here too, but look at how freaking beautiful it is. Ah. Now I'm trying to give them the last look. Like, excuse me, miss. I'm trying to work to go to bed. Oh, he's almost done. We're on the very end of it. Look at this wall. Oh my gosh. This is the last, the final. And guys, the wall looks so good. It's literally perfect. this is the ultimate renter-friendly project to do the slats. Wow. Done. It's a beautiful green wall now. That chapter is over. Wow, my videos are not gonna have that background in it anymore.
You took advantage of it.
It's crazy like how strong the stickiness on this is to hold up the slats, but not do anything to the wall. Y'all, this is dark, but it's the best light we have, okay?
Yeah, the deal is done. We put away, well, we broke down our spotlights. I forgot what kind of lights you call them, but
the box lights.
Floodlights. Anyway, yeah, the box lights. It is a box light. So anyway, the deal is done. I'm almost blending with the wall.
I'm tired. He was reaching to get those pieces on the ceiling.
Yeah, I'm trying to hurry up to get to bed because we got an early start in the morning.
Yeah, definitely.
But as Siah mentioned, it's definitely renter friendly, 100%. Well, I mean,
this one 100%.
Nah, I mean it's like 95% because there's still the holes on the top.
But you can put holes in a wall. It's like if you were hanging up a picture.
Okay. So yeah, I'm sorry. I was just thinking about the extra work that we had to do, but you don't. Yeah. You don't have to cover that up, so that's perfect.
Right.
So this is the least of our worries, well, if any worries at all.
Yes, we honestly are gonna see if they'll paint it because we don't want to paint.
Yeah, we just want to pack boxes and head out of here.
Yeah.
Well,
the one in the living room, 8.5, 8 out of 10.
No, that's probably a 10 out of 10 if we use the right material.
Yes. Definitely.
Yeah.
But
right.
The way we did it.
The way we did it is. Yeah, I'll hit a 7 on that.
7, okay.
Yeah, only because of how much double-sided sticky tape we used.
Yeah.
It looks so patchy. Anyway, if we end up patching it up, we'll make another video.
Or we can add it to this.
Depending on we'll see. Because I don't know how long this is gonna be already. So I mean, heck, we could break it up.
This is not gonna be super long.
We're talking right now. So whenever we get to talking, you know how long we can end up talking for. But nonetheless, yeah, we'll
figure that out.
Yeah, we'll see what we gotta do tomorrow, and you guys will know.
We only have a minute left, so.
So, on that note, subscribe if you haven't seen the 2 videos. One of the living room, one of this office of us putting up the slat walls. Take a look, ask any questions that y'all got, and see you guys
in the next one. Bye.